I bought more than I planned today.
The card payment is successful. The receipt prints slowly.
These bags are very heavy.
The automatic doors open wide.
The sunlight is very bright.
The sidewalk outside is calm.
I need to walk carefully.
The grocery bags swing with each step.
Did I hear a sound?
The alley behind the store is quiet.
That sound again. It sounds like a cat.
Trash bins and boxes fill the alley. A small white kitten is hiding. The kitten looks dirty and weak. The kitten tries to stand. One leg cannot move well.
Oh no, you are hurt. Don't be scared. I'm here.
The kitten pulls back slowly.
I'll keep you warm. This jacket will help you. Are you all alone? I need to call for help.
The phone starts calling.
Please answer, Daniel.
The kitten breathes softly.
You must be hungry. Drink a little milk.
The kitten drinks slowly.
Good girl, Molly.
A car arrives nearby.
Luna, I'm here.
Thank you for coming.
She looks very weak.
Her leg is hurt.
I'll lift her carefully.
Please be gentle.
She's so light.
She hasn't eaten much.
The groceries are put away. The vet clinic is quiet.
We made it here.
I hope she's okay.
The waiting room is calm. The exam room feels safe. Molly rests on a soft towel. Medical tools are ready.
I'm really worried.
I know. I am too.
The injured leg is examined. The X-ray shows the problem. A splint is prepared. Molly stays very still. The splint is placed gently.
Thank you so much.
I feel relieved now.
Melody slightly determined.
The medicine is ready.
Vocal humming.
I will take care of her.
I know you will.
They leave the clinic.
Let's go home.
Yes, she needs rest.
The car moves quietly.
Vocal.
The living room is warm.
Soft and airy.
We're home now. Rest here, Molly.
Molly relaxes slowly.
Lonely piano pads. Very
I'll stay with you.
gentle humming returns.
You did a good thing.
I couldn't leave her.
Molly breathes calmly. Evening light fills the room.
I should go now.
Thank you, Daniel.
Piano.
Molly falls asleep.
Good night, Molly.
Call me anytime.
I will. It's just us now. You are safe here.